Fertilizers may be granular or liquid, soluble or time-released. Most commonly used fertilizers are dry granular fertilizers that can be placed on the soil surface or incorporated into the soil and are water-soluble. Timed-release fertilizers are also known as slow-release if plant nutrients become available as a result of decomposition and include manures, compost, and solid synthetic fertilizers. These forms of time-release fertilizers are released for use by the crop plant at slower rates than soluble and control release by decomposition that can take months. Other time-release fertilizers are also known as controlled released and are soluble fertilizers coated with materials that allow water to enter the prill slowly, solubilizing the fertilizer, and then move out of the prill by osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water with fertilizer from high concentrations in the prill to low concentrations in the soil. The rate at which osmosis occurs is controlled by temperature and soil water content. The higher the temperature and soil moisture, the quicker the fertilizer will release and be available to the crop plant. Granular and time-release fertilizer can be spread on the soil surface prior to planting, incorporated into the soil, or applied to the top of beds in bands. Application methods allow fertilizer to be used by the crop at different times. The incorporated soluble granular fertilizer is solubilized quickly and immediately available to the crop plant. The fertilizer applied to the soil surface, either spread or in bands, are available later and only after water has solubilized the fertilizer and the nutrients enter the soil. This allows for fertilizer availability to the crop plants during a longer period of time. Some soluble fertilizer can be made into liquids and injected in the irrigation system. The injection of fertilizers into the irrigation system allows for nutrients to be immediately available and can be injected based on crop plant maturity to provide the amount of nutrient needed. Fertilizer injectors can be simple Venturi systems on the left or hydraulic or motor-driven pumps on the right.